Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you guys how you can fix OBS Studio black screen error in just 2 easy steps. So without wasting any more of you guys' time, let's just get started. So the first step is right click on Windows desktop, go to display settings, scroll down, go to graphics settings, click on classic app. In this menu click on classic app, browse, and you need to find OBS Studio in here, that is in program files OBS Studio bin 64 bits. I will show you. Noise, see program files. In there you need to find OBS Studio. So click on bin 64 bits OBS Studio. Click on OBS Studio and click on add. I have already added this, so I am going to do it again. So after adding, you need to click on this one, this OBS Studio icon. Click on options and select power saving mode. Click on save. So after that, step 2, right click on desktop, go to nvidia control panel. In program settings, you need to click here and select OBS Studio from here. This is OBS Studio. After adding, you need to click on this drop down menu, click on integrated graphics and click on apply. That is it. After that, your OBS Studio will start to work. I'm recording this with OBS Studio. So thank you for watching. See you guys in the next video.